Number 20 right here is system of three equations again, but obviously substitution would be a little hard here. So we're going to go for elimination. And right away, you want to see what variable would be easy to eliminate. I see negative y and positive y there. And also with another pair, I see negative y and positive y here. So it looks like y would be the easiest to eliminate. So when we start, once again, we're going to label our three equations, 1, 2, and 3. And then we want to pair them up here for elimination. So pairing 1 and 2 then, 1 and 2. Whoa, okay. Equation 1 was x minus y plus 2z equals negative 3. And equation 2 was x plus y plus 3z equals 4. And can I eliminate right away if I add these two equations? Yes, I can. All right. Okay. And so what would my new equation be after I add these two equations together? 2x plus 5z equals 1. That's right. Good. And this is going to be my new equation, so I'm going to label this as equation number 4, because we have 3 here this time. All right, so then my other pair is going to be equations 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. Equation 2, once again, x plus y plus 3z equals 4. And equation 3 was 2x minus y plus 4z equals negative 3. And so will these eliminate when I add them right away? Yes, they will. So what's my new equation when I add these two equations together? 3x
plus 7z
plus, oh, that's not a 7. Plus 7z
1
equals 1. Very good. So this is going to be equation number 5. Good. All right, so then we're going to pair. Well, I said pour. We're going to pair equations 4 and 5 together. So equation 4 was 2x plus 5z equals 1, and equation 5 was 3x plus 7z, I'm going to run out of space, equals 1. Alright, I should probably move these over. Alright, so then we're going to have to multiply both the equations by a number. So what do you think we should multiply these equations by?
2.
We multiply which one by 2?
4.
If we multiply 4 by 2, what will that accomplish though? It's not going to eliminate anything.
3 and then 5 by 2.
Right, so one of them is going to have to be by positive and one of them is going to have to be by negative though, right? Because we want them to cancel out. So let's do equation 4 by 3. I'm going to write the new one down here. So if I multiply everything by 3, that's going to be 6x plus 15z equals 3. And then if I multiply the top one by, if I multiplied equation 4 by 3, I have to multiply equation 5 by negative 2. That's right. Because we want it to cancel out, right? So if I multiply everything by negative 2, what would my new equation be? Negative 6x.
Negative
14z, right? Equals negative 2, right. And now I can add these two equations together, and we can see the 6's cancel out, and then what's left? Z equals 1. Very good. So we got z equals 1, right. So I just found z. What other variable should I be able to find right away? X, that's right, because we're looking at equations 4 and 5. We only see x and z, so we want to be able to find x next. So we can just pick either of the equations, so 4 looks a little easier. So I'm going to put equation 4, which was 2x plus 5z equals 1. But we know z is 1, so I can take that z out and replace it with a parentheses 1. All right, and so if I simplify this now, it's going to be 2x plus, what's 5 times 1? 5 equals 1. And then what should I do here to solve for x? Subtract 5, right? And then that leaves me with 2x equals negative 4. And then finally, divide both sides by 2, so x equals negative 2. That's right. And there's one more variable we have to find, and which one is that? That is y, right? So that's where we're going to go back to one of the original equations. And which one do you think would be easiest to find y? Number 2. Why is it number 2?
Because y is positive.
Right, because on equation number 2, y is positive. So we're going to use equation 2. So equation 2 says x plus y plus 3z equals 4. But we know that x is negative 2. And then plus y, we don't know y. Plus 3 times z, but z is 1. And so if I simplify this, it's going to be negative 2 plus y plus, what's 3 times 1? 3 equals 4. And then now, we're going to combine like terms on the left side. So negative 2 plus 3 is what?
1.
So we got y plus 1 on the left side equals 4. Oh. Equals 4. Subtract 1 from both sides, and y equals 3. And so now I have all three of my values. X is negative 2. Y is 3. And z was 1. And that is my answer.